Okay, good morning. Today we're going to, well, you guys are going to watch this video on the 5 components of health-related fitness. You guys should know what they are by now. So what she's going to do is she's going to go through each 5. She talks a little slower, and so it might be a little boring, but it gives a good idea on what each term is, and then she gives a definition. So when she gets to cardiovascular endurance, she's going to give the definition, and she's going to say, to increase my cardiovascular endurance, and then she gives an example. So for each term, I want you to write the example she gives. So one, I know that you watched the video, and it's going to let me know that you guys fully grasp the concept of what each of these terms are. So she's going to go through all 5, and she'll say, I increase my flexibility by, and she'll do it for each term. And then at the bottom, for body composition, she'll say she maintains a healthy body composition by blank. So you guys are just going to listen to the video and then pay attention to what examples she gives, and then you're going to come in here and write the examples for each term. So it shouldn't be that hard. You guys have already given me the definitions. You should be very familiar with each term. So just pay attention to the video, list each example, and that way I'll know you watched it, and I'll know that you've learned exactly what each term means, so you have a better understanding of it, because we're going to take this into more assignments where you're going to have to know what all 5 of these mean, and it'd be better for you guys to learn them now instead of having to keep going back and forth to get the examples. So that's all you're doing. It's just a simple example under each of these, and then go ahead and submit it, and remember to take attendance as well. If you have any questions or problems, just shoot me an email and I'll get back with you.